Hey guys, Aaron here. Hope you are all doing well today. Let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. First impression when I picked up this phone is the bright display. The display is butter smooth due to the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. For those of you who do not know, the higher the refresh rate, the smoother the screen looks and the higher the power consumption as well. The adaptive refresh rate allows you to save some battery by lowering the refresh rate on certain apps. And also, it does have a cutout for its ridiculously huge 40 megapixel selfie camera lens. Speaking of the screen, Samsung always makes really good screens, with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra being no exception to this, having a 6.8-inch Edge Quad HD Plus display, which is a great improvement. However, this is not the case with the other S21 models. I will be making an in-depth review of the Galaxy S21, so do subscribe to my channel to get a notification when I upload it. The colors on this screen are very vibrant. The display is very bright, peaking at a stunning 1500 nits. They have also included an eye comfort shield which lowers blue light. The phone is pretty heavy as well as compared to the previous models, weighing in at 220 grams. Looking at it from the side, the phone itself is pretty thick. It's got a flat screen with the edges being curved. There is a dual SIM slot and no slot for the S Pen. This is the only phone in the S21 lineup that is compatible with the S Pen, but you would have to buy the case and the S Pen separately. Samsung has also removed the adapter and headphones from the box. However, they have also reduced the price of the adapter and are giving the latest Galaxy Buds Pro for free upon pre-order. Speaking of the adapter, the S21 Ultra supports 25-watt charging, which would get the phone charged from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes and also supports 15-watt Qi wireless charging. The phone comes with a powerful 5000 mAh battery, which when paired with the adaptive refresh rate should give you around 1 day of normal phone use. Now coming to the back of the phone, Samsung have decided to go with the huge camera bump but have definitely reduced the thickness of the bump this year. The camera consists of 4 main lenses: the ultra-wide lens, which is 12 megapixel with 120 degree, the primary lens of 108 megapixel with f1.8, a 3x optical zoom and a 10x periscope zoom lens. The reason for the two zoom lens is A, to enable you to click better and sharper pictures between a 1 time and a 10 times zoom, and B, the upper limit of the zoom has gone higher, allowing you to click acceptable pictures even at 100 times zoom. All these lenses are capable of shooting 60 frame per second videos in 4K. The camera system has many features such as taking videos in 8K, which you can then take a snap of straight from the video, and director view, which can help you choose between tele, wide and ultra wide while taking the video. Again, I will be talking about this in a future video after testing it, so do make sure you are subscribed to the channel. After hearing a lot of complaints last year regarding the Exynos chipsets, Samsung have claimed to improve their Exynos chipset this year. The models in USA would be rolling out with the Snapdragon 888, while the international models will be coming with the Exynos chip. They have also improved the RAM and added a faster fingerprint scanner. The front and back of the phone is made of Gorilla Glass Victus, which is glass which provides high resistance to scratches and shattering. It comes in the Phantom Black color, which Samsung have claimed to work a lot on, Phantom Silver, Phantom Titanium, Phantom Navy, and Phantom Brown. They have removed the SD card reader from the phone but have compensated that with a higher base storage of 256 GB, with the exception of USA having a base model of 128 GB. The base model of this phone is priced at 1798 Singapore dollars or 1249 USD for the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, and can be spec'd to the 16 GB RAM with 512 GB storage for 1998 Singapore dollars or 1379 USD. Now, would I recommend this phone? Is it actually worth the money? Well, it depends on your needs. If you are into content creating and would need to use this phone to edit your videos using the S Pen, then I guess it would make sense. But do remember though that you would need to buy an S Pen along with the case for an additional amount. I would recommend waiting a bit for the Galaxy Flip and Fold phones. as there are many rumors about those phones getting the S Pen as well. All in all, Samsung have definitely redeemed themselves this year with their S21 lineup. So, will you guys buy the S21 Ultra or wait for the other phones to come out? Let me know in the comments below. Do like the video if you found it useful, and I will see you guys in the next video.